it's time. Here we go. Now it takes 30 seconds for that low pressure alarm to come on. Not sure what that is. Oh, I guess that's probably the engine speed limit. The engine speed's limited. You can't rev it up until it warms up a little bit, so that's probably a caution for that. I think I remember that being that way. Oh, no. Scared me. Low voltage, check the battery and alternator. I thought that was the oil pressure. That'll give me a heart attack. That's okay. I think the battery's bad, so that's just fine. All right, we're gonna have to pull that battery out, get a new battery coming. Let's just sit tight and wait and see. All right, I'm gonna go unhook everything, point this exhaust outside so I don't fill my shop with any more diesel particulates. Now we're showing voltage at 13.6 volts because I got the alternator revved up. It's been running for about 5 minutes. That seems to have fixed it. I don't see the alarm anymore. To say that I'm relieved might be the understatement of the year for me. I am so happy about this. It's kind of what I was 90% sure that's what it was, but a $10 part just like that is that's the way it goes sometimes. So I'll let that thing get up to temperature. Let's break out. I got those new Milwaukee Grease Guns. I really like those. I was wrong about those. I was Mrs. W got me one and the middleman bought me one, so I have two now. Now I like greasing the machine. So let's adjust the tracks and we'll go around and hit all the points and just show it a little bit of love before we put it away. All right, that looks pretty good. So tomorrow night, we're supposed to have a big storm coming in. So let's get, we'll get the skid steer rigged up for snow blowing. We'll grab the snow blower, I'll grab my bucket, do that swap, fuel it up, and then put it in the shop and have everything ready. Could be a couple feet, hard to say. You know, it's hard to predict snow in this area, but when it snows, it snows. So it'd be nice to have the skid steer back. Well, beloved, that's about it for the day. Very successful. I'm so happy that we got that oil pressure problem solved. It was making me anxious not having the snow blower and everything with the big storm coming, so let it snow, we're ready. Manservant, I'll have him get the Yanmar, the plow on that tonight, get that all buckled up, and hopefully we'll have a snow stream, so Lord willing anyway. So may God bless you and your families. Please keep us in your prayers. If you haven't already, take a moment, click that thumbs up. We always appreciate that. And we'll see you all on the next video.